In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing your OneNote notebook. Sharing notebooks in OneNote is a great way to collaborate, but there may come a time when you need to take back control and remove access. Whether you're finished working on a project or simply want to keep your notes private again, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and smoothly. To begin, open the notebook that you previously shared. It's important to make sure that this notebook is stored online, such as in OneDrive or SharePoint, because only cloud-based notebooks have sharing controls. If your notebook is saved locally on your computer, you won't see the options needed to manage access. If you have multiple notebooks with similar names, take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct one by checking its storage location. Once your notebook is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the OneNote window. Here, you'll find the Share button. Click on it, then select the option that says Manage Access or Shared With, depending on the version you are using. This will open a panel that displays all the current sharing settings for your notebook. Inside this panel, you'll see a list of people who have been given direct access. This section shows exactly who can view or edit your notebook. It serves as your main control center for managing permissions, making it easy to review who currently has access. Next, look for the section that shows any links that provide access to your notebook. These are often labeled as View or Edit links. If you find any active links, click the option to disable them. Doing this will immediately prevent anyone using those links from opening your notebook. If you've created multiple sharing links over time, make sure to turn off each one that you no longer want active. Disabling links is a crucial step because even if you remove individuals, an active link could still allow access. Taking the time to turn off these links ensures that your notebook is fully secured. Once you've completed these changes, they will take effect almost immediately, although it may take a short moment to reflect across all devices. After that, you can close the Access panel and continue using your notebook as usual, knowing your content is no longer shared. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.